Hello guys, so welcome to the channel. In this video I'm walking you through how to transfer XRP from Kraken to your Ledger Flex, a top-notch hardware wallet to keep your crypto locked down tight. It's a simple move once you know the steps, so let's jump right in. First up, get your Ledger Flex ready, grab the Ledger Live app from ledger.com, install it on your phone or computer, plug in your Ledger Flex USB or pair it via Bluetooth, then follow the setup. Set a PIN, save your 24-word recovery phrase somewhere safe, like a metal backup. In Ledger Live, go to My Ledger, install the XRP app, and then add XRP account in the Accounts tab. Hit Receive, copy your XRP address, and keep it handy. Now switch to Kraken. Open the app or head to kraken.com and log in with your email and password. Go to the Funding tab, it's your hub for moving money. Scroll to your XRP balance, make sure you've got enough to send, keeping in mind the 10 XRP reserve the XRP ledger requires for new addresses like your Ledger Flex. Click Withdraw next to XRP. If your ledger address isn't saved yet, hit Add Withdrawal Address. Paste the XRP address from Ledger Live into the field, label it Ledger Flex so you know what's what. Kraken might show a destination tag box. Ledger doesn't need one for personal wallets, so leave it blank or put 0. Save it and then pick that address for your withdrawal. Type in how much XRP you're sending. Kraken's minimum is usually 50 XRP and their fee is low, around 0.02 XRP. Triple check your ledger address matches. A typo here is a one-way ticket to losing your funds. Hit Review Withdrawal, punch in your two-factor code or any extra verification, and confirm. Check your email for a confirmation link from Kraken. After that, head back to Ledger Live. XRP is quick, so your transfer should land in minutes. Open your XRP account in the app and your balance should update. And that's basically it, guys. Your XRP is now safe in your Ledger Flex. Always double check addresses and maybe send a small test amount first to ease your nerves. Did it work for you? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Catch you next time.